Alright, we're back at it again, and I wanted to point out a little thing that I came across that was really helpful, saves a lot of time and grief. You can take a 10mm socket. There is a 10mm nut on the timing chain cover, which you can put through the pulley to be able to lock it as you turn the nut, the balancer nut, the crankshaft nut, which is 27mm. So I hope you got a good glimpse. Let me try again there, get a better. Light's fading here quick. People keep interrupting videos, but whatever. So you see how I've set that up. I think you can see it. So I have a 10mm socket going through the little holes in the pulley to be able to lock the pulley while I turn the crank. Let's see if this will work. Nope, not yet. Almost. Gonna need some more penetrating oil. But that's the idea.